Somalia, rich land, cultural and civilized people. Somalia is a country in East Africa and it resembles a rhinoceros horn. Somalia covers area of 637,657 km square. It is bordered by Ethiopia to the west, Djibouti to the northwest, Indian Ocean to the east, Kenya to the southwest, and Gulf of Aden to the north. Somalia has the longest coastline on Africa's mainland, which is 30,333 km. Its terrain consists of mainly plateaus, plains, and highlands. The capital city of Somalia is Mogadishu. The first president of Somalia was Aden Abdul Osman. National flag consists of light blue filled a central white star and was adopted on October 12, 1954 and signed by Mohammed Awal Liban. The 5 points of the Star of Somalia flag represents the 5 regions of Somalia, which are South Somalia, North Somalia, Djibouti, Northeastern, and Western Somalia. The official languages of Somali people are Somali and Arabic. The official currency of Somalia is Somali shilling, which is abbreviated SOS. Long live Somalia. Somalia ha noolaato.